On behalf of the Department of Budget and Management, led by no less than Secretary Mina F. Pangandaman and Undersecretary Wilford Will L. Wong, allow me to express our deepest gratitude to the Department of Science and Technology, Philippine Textile Research Institute, or the DOST-PTRI, for inviting us to be part of this important milestone for our country. Handloom weaving has been part of our culture for generations. Long before we were colonized, our ancestors practiced handloom weaving not just as a means of livelihood, but as part of their cultural identity and role in the society. The materials used, the technique of weaving, and the patterns applied tell stories that help us identify the origin, values, and traditions of our indigenous communities. Beyond its cultural significance, handloom weaving has also become an essential source of livelihood for many of our people, especially those living in far-flung areas of the country. Indeed, our nation is rich in natural resources which supports not only our basic needs but enables us to sustain this craft. However, the income derived from the weaving is often not enough to meet the daily needs, as many as of our weavers lack the resources to promote their products to their current situation and remote locations. This is why our handloom weavers greatly need the government support and interventions. To address this, the DOST-PTRI has successfully established 24 weaving communities across the country, and these centers have helped the handloom weaving industry flourish and gain recognition both locally and internationally. While the DOST offers exclusive support to communities, several social and economic factors and challenges continue to affect the growth and promotion of our weaving industry. To ensure sustained government support, the DOST requires the collaboration of other government agencies. The Department of Budget and Management recognizes this, the importance of preserving and promoting this heritage industry.